Good afternoon, everybody, and back by unpopular demand, we have another episode of Murphy's Law. Anything that can break will break, or anything that can happen will happen. Whichever one. Got a flat tire on this tractor. Don't exactly know how it went flat. It just started slowly leaking on me last time I was driving it. We've got air. We have a flood kit, some soap and water, and a 2.5 ton jack holding it up because there's nothing better than overkill. So we will try and get this thing plugged up. First thing we got to do is figure out where the leak is. We'll do that. We are going to air this thing up. I've got my little air gauge right here, nice and fancy. Power it on. Become on. Any day now. The battery didn't die on it. It might have. Let's see, we got some AAA's in there. Let's just rotate them around and see if that brings it back. Oh, okay. We'll just start now. All right, we got some air in there. And we'll get our soap and water and see if we can locate said leak. And right now we are just looking for some bubbling. Thought maybe I had hit a big bump when I was driving it the last time, and it just broke the seal around here, which caused the air to come out because I aired it back up. Oh, there it is. You see that? So we've got the one leak there, and it is definitely a pinhole. We'll go ahead and check the rest of the tire and make sure there is not a secondary leak. It's just that one. Let me find it again. Oh, here it is. All right, so I'm gonna piss out a little bit of this air. If I can get my fingernail in there, relieve some of the pressure. So the idea is going to be we are going to enlarge the hole with this little guy, scrape it out real good, and we are going to fill it in with some rubber. It's already got some cement on there, but I got some more if we got to do it again, and we'll fish that rubber in there and then shave off the excess. It has been 11 years since I've done this, so hopefully we get it right the first time. Oh, by the way, I was informed that I was not using the camera correctly the last time. I am attempting to learn my lesson here. So let's see if we can get... How's that? I think we all can see that. Kind of the top piece right there. All right. Find my pinhole. in there real good. Scrape it out. We're gonna leave that in there for just a second. We're gonna get this out right here. Fish this little guy through. Right in the middle. Kind of set her down. Get her about 2/3 of the way down, which looks to be out there. And then we're just gonna yank it out real fast. Gravity. Just like that. And we've got our plug in. We can check. See if it's holding air, which it looks to be. So now we just need to shave off all the excess right there. So I'm gonna grab my utility knife. Yeah, let's see if we can do this. Try to get it down as far as possible to the base. So we don't want it catching. Although it will have to be done again at some point. This does not last forever. This is more of a temporary thing, especially if you're doing it on a vehicle, but I am gonna do everything I can not to have to spend money on this tractor tire. It's only a year old. So I'll put a little bit more air in here. I'm actually gonna go grab some batteries real quick for this little guy. Back. Well, as it turns out, I am all out of AAA batteries. So we are just going to eye it best we can. These are like 14 PSI, so I'm sure I can guess correctly. That feels good. And we will spray around one more time. It's actually real good around the seal. I can already tell I'm still doing a terrible job with the camera. Somebody once told me the more you know or the better you are at something, the worse you are at something else. And the person that told me that set a kitchen on fire trying to make macaroni and cheese one time, so irony. And we'll go around the seal here. No leaks there. Try to get around on the back side here. And all that looks good. All right. Tire plug-in 101. Outstanding. Peace.